Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and staying home safely. So today I am going to explain you about the summer vacation homework, that is SVHW. This is the subject of computer. I am your subject teacher Archana Tiwari, and I am going to explain you the subject computers SVHW. Okay, first here it is what? First is learning work. First is learning work. In learning work, here there is a oral. In oral we have to do first point, learn the exercises of chapter 1 and type of computers and their examples. It means you have to learn the chapter first, all the exercises, and also learn the types of computers and with their examples. How many types of computers are there? You have to learn it and also learn the examples of that particular computers. Second point is learn about input and output device. Learn about input and output device. It means how many inputs or devices and how many output devices are there. You have to learn it thoroughly. Okay. Then come to the next part, that is written work. That is what? That is written work. Okay. In written work, see here. In written work, first point is what? That is write all the types of computer in your SVHW copy. In your SVHW copy, you have to write all the, after learning, you have to write all the types of computers. That means how many types of computers are there. Please write it in your SVHW copy. And also write, second point, write 10 full forms related to computer subject. Means related to computer subject, how many short forms are there? You have to search it from your book and write the full forms of that shortcut. Okay. For example, I will tell you, that is IPO, CPU, ROM, ROM, RAM, CD, DVD, VCD, many. There are many these types of words are there. You have to at least you have to search 10 words and write down the full forms of that particular words. Okay, then fine. You may also write the full forms of computer. Okay, one thing. Okay, then come to the next one, that is activity. See here. In activity, what you have to do, create a diagram about computer hardware and software in your SVHW copy. See here. Create a diagram about computer hardware and software. It means you have to draw the diagram of computer hardware and software in your SVHW copy. In which copy you are writing your homework? You have to draw the diagram of computer hardware and software also in that particular copy. After activity, you have to do the project. In project, make a chart of microcomputer and write their use and benefits. Means you have to make a chart. It is, you have to make a chart on chart paper. Okay, you have to make chart on a chart paper. So take a use of chart paper and draw and make a chart of microcomputer on a chart paper, and also write their uses and benefits, and what are the uses and benefits are there of microcomputer. You have to write it on the particular chart paper. Okay, after that, come to see here. After this, we have completed our SVHW homework. So please write all these SVHW homework in your PC copy, or in what? Which copy? In your PC copy or in your SVHW copy. If you have PC copy, make two parts, half for computer and half for GK. Okay, make a separate copy and then write the SVHW homework. Make only one copy for computer and GK. Make two parts, first part for computer and second part is for GK. So by this I have completed my explanation of computer SVHW. Okay, so please do it at home. Be concentrate on your study and be safe. Stay home safely and be safe. Take care yourself. Okay, then bye. We will meet when the school will be reopened after the as the information comes from the state governments. Bye, see you.